Hey, Mom. Yeah, I'm doing live on it. Oh, yeah, it's okay. We got the burr. It's pretty cool with the burr.
That's not like this big, the biggest like.
Yeah, I know. You see that pink one up there? I think we talked this okay. See the pink one?
That was nice. Like, what was that one?
I don't know.
That could be a. Oh, that could be a spoonbill. Yeah, I think it's a.
What's that black one up there? See that black one at the top?
Rosy billed poacher. I think that's it. That is, or it could be an Abdon store. Could be Abdon store.
Hey, what are them colorful ones?
Oh, the colorful ones?
Yeah.
They're lorikeets. So there's different types. There's like green Nate lorikeet. There's a rainbow lorikeet. An ornate lorikeet.
Oh, check out them two right there. Look at them. See them?
Oh yeah, that's cute. Christian, look at the little ones playing.
That's awesome, there, right there.
You see them?
Wow.
Yes, I know. Right there. See that one? That one's
I tried to catch one.
Oh, look at that.
Oh look, it looks like they have a diet of fruit in the center there. It's like.
Where? Oh, okay, I see it. Yep, yep. I see it.
Also the rainbow lorikeets, because
I wonder if they
have-
talk.
Oh, it could be the Edward lorikeet because the Edward lorikeet has the.
I like that pink one right there.
Yeah, that's the
It's hard to see though.
rosé spoonbill. Maybe he'll come around the other side.
I'm gonna walk around here.
Okay.
Yeah, there he is on the top. Yeah, I guess so. It's pretty cool. Okay, folks.
Yeah, this is nice. This has a bird aviary at Busch Gardens on New Year's Day, 2020. All right.